Ever wondered how your wanderlust might be impacting our beautiful planet? It's high time that we all take a step back and consider the environmental footprint of our globetrotting adventures. Today, we'll explore 8 eco-friendly travel tips for conscious explorers, all aimed at making your future travels more sustainable. First on the list, consider swapping your plane ride for a train journey. Air travel is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, but choosing the train instead can drastically reduce your carbon footprint. It's an easy switch to make, and bonus, it often comes with the added perk of scenic views along the way. Second, pack light. The heavier the luggage, the more fuel a vehicle needs to transport it. So streamline your stuff. Not only does it help the planet, but it also makes getting from point A to B a whole lot easier. Third, become a local foodie. Supporting local farmers and eating seasonal food reduces the energy used in food production and transportation. Plus, it's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the culture of your destination. Fourth, bring a reusable water bottle. Plastic waste is a huge global problem, and the travel industry contributes significantly to it. By carrying your own water bottle, you're actively reducing plastic waste and saving money too. Fifth, choose eco-friendly accommodations. Many hotels and lodgings are now prioritizing sustainability, from solar power to water conservation. Staying with them supports their efforts and encourages more establishments to follow suit. Sixth, respect nature. Stick to marked trails when hiking to prevent damage to local flora. Avoid disturbing wildlife or picking up souvenirs from the natural environment. Remember, you're a guest in their home. Seventh, use public transportation, cycle, or walk whenever possible. These methods of getting around are not only more sustainable, but can also bring you closer to the local lifestyle. Finally, offset your carbon emissions. Many organizations now offer carbon offset programs, allowing you to donate to environmental projects to balance out the emissions from your travels. So there you have it, 8 tips to make your travels more eco-friendly. It's not about giving up the joy of exploration, but rather about making choices that ensure our planet remains a beautiful place to explore for generations to come. So next time you're planning an adventure, remember these tips and think about how you can make your journey more sustainable. Because every step, every choice, every adventure counts when it comes to protecting our planet.